Hello friends, today we are going to learn a couple of new things in Linux that are really very useful utilities. I'm going to explain you that one by one and I'm going to show you a demo as well how do we use it with Linux. The first one is going to be ETH tool, but before installing it let's first go ahead and do a sudo apt-get update. I'm going to update my system first and you can see that sudo apt update is done, and once the update is all done we can go ahead and use the commands or the utilities, rather we should call it that way, and they are going to be explained today. The first utility we are going to talk about is ETH tool, and the second utility we are going to talk about is whowatch. Both are very interesting and very easy to use. I'll explain you one by one. What is ETH tool? When you type what is ETH tool itself, you'll get the answer. It is a query or control network driver and hardware settings, which means we can go ahead and analyze how exactly our network is behaving through ETH tool, and you can install it with sudo apt install ETH tool. That's it. We can install it easily, and I have installed it in front of you. If you get any errors, you need to let me know. I'll tell you the solution for that as well. Now, I need to understand what are all the available interfaces in my machine so that I can go ahead and use my ETH tool further. You can see that sudo IP link show will show me all the available links, I mean all the available interfaces in my system, and you could see that WLP6S0, ENO0, ENO1, ENP5S0, all those are there. Now out of which the only one is very active, which is WLP6S0, as you could see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this all these details about the interfaces, all these interface names, to understand how exactly they are behaving. Now sudo ETH tool WLP6S0 will get me the details about the link. The link is detected and it is working fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out the same set of information for rest of the interfaces in my machine. ENO1, you can get the all details about the ENO1, supported link modes, what are all the advertised link modes, what kind of twisted pair cables or what kind of port are we using. All these details will be available, and this ETH tool will give you information about the connected Ethernet devices in short. Now what do we do? I'm going to use sudo IP link show again. Now we are going to use ETH tool -s option with the interface which is up and running. When I do that, you will find the complete network interface card statistics. You can find out the number of packets received, RX bytes, duplicates, fragments, drop. All these details are really nicely presented and you can analyze everything. Only thing is you need to know each and every point about it. And now we are going to go to the next one. whowatch. What is whowatch? Very simple. It is an interactive console where you can monitor the user. That's it. Now we will see how exactly it is useful with a simple demo. But we need to also understand W. There is a command called as W. When you use W, you will get the details of the users who are logged in into the machine and what are they doing right now. The login time, idle time, all these details should be available. Now let's go ahead with whowatch. When you type the command whowatch, if it is not installed already, you need to install it. Let me tell you that as well. Sudo apt install whowatch will install you that to utility. It is an utility, to be very specific. And you can see that the moment I launch it, it is taking you to a beautiful console where you get one user logged in. There are 4 tasks which are up and running, and you can go ahead and get more details about it. I'm going to show you that one by one right now. Now you can see that when I entered, I get the details of all the processes with the complete detail. I am getting each and everything in the tree structure right now. When you press T, you get the T structure, and press any process ID there, you get the complete details further about it. What is the status of it, which group is it assigned to. You can keep scrolling in the background and here the values will get updated, here the data will get updated, and this is very useful tool to analyze what an user is doing in real time. You can analyze, that's more like monitoring. You can click any of the process and get the details about it. You can get the system info about it. Now this is system info. I pressed yes right now and you got the complete system info. You can see that the complete details are changing, including the memory occupied, the buffer state, the swap cache, everything is presented clearly to you and you can get it real time. That's the best point about it. You will get the details of all the process running, who has won the process. All these details are presented to you in a very clear manner. You can get it now with the line number. I have presented a line number there. L is the option to get it, and that's it. It's very simple. So use whowatch and W to understand more about users, and you can get the brief note about who the user is by clicking the by entering that by entering the option present in the initial stages. and you can get details about all the process by going in depth into it by pressing enter. You get all the process details. D is the command to get the details. S is the command to get the system info. All these are available, and try it out in your machine. If you have any queries, let me know. I'll be able to help you. I hope it was useful. In case you have any queries, come back to me. I'll be able to answer that. Thank you very much.